What's up, guys? On my previous video, these wind deflectors or rain deflectors, I had AVS, brand AVS. Which are these right here. So I had come across a warp on the passenger side, on the passenger front side. About right here on the AVS, it had a warp. And I couldn't figure out why. I tried bending it back in place on a hot day to see if it would stay. And it did. So I'm guessing the heat kind of deformed it. So on a hot day, I pushed it in, and then I pushed it in too much, and it stayed like that forever. So I wasn't happy with it. So I went and ordered these. These are the new rain deflectors, wind deflectors, and they look, in my opinion, better than the ABS, because look how they come down here towards the tip. Hard to see it. It's right here. It just has a mean little stance to it. And these are EGR. So these fit perfect. There's no warp. They're thicker. There's also no 3M tape. There's no 3M tape because what it does is it pushes all the way down here at the bottom. It's like literally you have to force it in. You put this in corner in first, push it in, kind of fill it in, and then you kind of bend it in place, and it stays bent. I mean, it stays not bent. That's the way it looks. The back one does have 3M tape on the very top and sides. But this is a way better look to it. Way better. So that's just a quick video on the EGR. Thanks for watching.